So you have one of the Samsung Galaxy S25's and you have an issue where your screen is like frozen, or maybe you're stuck on an app, or it's unresponsive, you can't swipe, and maybe you're trying to restart it or power off and maybe you can get to the screen but it's not working. Anyway, I'm going to show you how to do a forced restart, okay? And that'll typically get you up and running. Forced restart is very simple. It's a 2-key combination. What you want to do is you want to press and hold 2 buttons, the volume down and the power button. We want to press and hold both buttons at the same time. Keep holding, wait till the screen turns black. Once it turns black, we'll let go, and then we have to wait 1 minute until it boots back up. Okay, once it boots back up, hopefully you'll be out of the unresponsive or frozen screen. We'll do it together. This one's working, but let's pretend I'm stuck on here. I can't do nothing, okay? Volume down, power button, ready, set, go. Press and hold at the same time. Now keep holding now. Just keep holding here. Now wait. Now when it turns black, just count to 5 seconds. 3, 4, 5. Okay, now just let go. And then right now we just have to be patient. You want to wait about 1 minute until it boots up. We'll see the Samsung logo appear. So I'll put this on pause. There we go. Finally booting up now. And if you boot back up and you get frozen again, just do the same thing again. Give it a second try. All right. Good luck, guys.